Hello everyone, welcome back to TDS Info Hub. Today's episode is all about ISRO's achievements in space program. From carrying rocket pods in Bullock Car 2 to soft landing on Moon's South Pole, India has reached a huge milestone. And it was the day when Russia launched its Sputnik satellite. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, who known as father of India's space program, thought that India also needs its own space agency. And after successfully convincing the government for space research and exploration, they established the Indian National Committee for Space Research in 1962, which was later renamed as ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. And with the support of Dr. Homi Jahangir Baba, widely regarded as the father of India's nuclear science program, Sarabhai set up the first rocket launching station in India. This center was established at Tumba near Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. And on 21st November 1963, Naikapachi sounding rocket was the first rocket to be launched from the Tumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station, and it is marked the beginning of the Indian space program. Now let's take a look at the major achievements of ISRO. Aryabhatta. It was the first Indian satellite and it's named after the legendary Indian astronomer Aryabhatta. It was built by India to research on astrophysics and launched by Russia on 19th April 1975. Also, it paved the way for ISRO's other missions to come. INSAT, the Indian National System, is a series of multi-purpose geostationary satellites launched by ISRO to satisfy telecommunications, broadcasting, meteorology, search and rescue operations, commissioned in 1983. And this one brought about a revolution in India's telecommunications sector. GSAT, geosynchronous satellites, are communication satellites constructed in India. These satellites are mainly utilized for digital audio, data and video transmission. Out of the many GSAT satellites launched by ISRO, 18 are still operational. And Chandrayaan-1 is India's first mission to Moon, and it was launched successfully on October 22, 2008 from Sriharikota, and it played a crucial role in the discovery of water molecules on the Moon. The next is MOM, the Mars Orbiter mission. Unofficially known as Mangalyaan, was the country's first mission to the Red Planet, and ISRO is the first space agency in the world to have successfully inserted a probe into the orbit of Mars in its very first attempt. Launched on 5th of November 2013 from SDS Center Sriharikota to study the Martian surface and atmosphere from its orbit. And the next major mission is Chandrayaan-3. Chandrayaan-3 rocket was launched on 14 July 2023, and India creates history by being the first country to land on Moon's South Pole. The Vikram lander made a soft landing on lunar surface, and it made India the fourth country in history to soft land on the moon. And PM Modi declared the landing site of the Vikram lander to be called as Shiv Shakti Point. And Aditya L1 is India's first solar mission, launched on 2nd September 2023 to study of solar upper atmospheric dynamics, coronal heating and coronal mass ejection and solar flares. And it's placed in halo orbit around L1 point, which is 1.5 million km far from Earth. And upcoming ISRO's missions are Mangalyaan 2, Gaganyaan 1, SpaceX, Lupex and Shukrayaan.